killer deal. Big shout out to Joe the Tool Guy, the Deal Mob, everyone who helps out with Joe. Guys, it's my mom there. Guys, we got a killer deal on this bandsaw, $199. You have to choose the store. I'm just gonna, after you find out the store and whatever you need to do, don't even finish this video. Just go and get it because they're gonna fix it. All right, so we got Lake Park. This is the store 0220. Oh my God, I hate this thing. What's up with this freaking phone? All right, Lake Park 0220. That is the store number. Listen to that. Price is going to drop down to $199. You're going to choose the free gift for purchase. Come on. You're going to go down to the bandsaw, guys. Bandsaw. Yes, guys, this is the $299 bandsaw, 20-volt Max XR cordless, brushless, deep cut bandsaw. It's going to be on the deal here, on the hack here, guys. Go get it before they shut it down, before they sell out, because they will sell out. Trust me. This is a killer deal. Viewing cart. I'm just going to show you guys the crazy price. And if it glitches, make sure you guys delete everything and go back, guys. Check this out. $119 for a 299 saw. Look at this. Even the batteries, guys. $79. Go get them. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers apply for my subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video.